Welcome back. Pointing out that there has been no proper governance in the state for the past 9 months, social activist and Ud Goenka spokesperson Iris Rodrigues has demanded president rule be imposed in the state.
The best thing that can happen to Goa and Goans is the imposition of president's rule. Before the law and order in this state further deteriorates.
Addressing the media, he also demanded a judicial inquiry into the entire fracas, as he said that it was the only way to know the complete truth.
A judicial inquiry into the incidents outside Panjim police station on 19th February evening to the night, and the incidents at Taligaon in the same night. We are of the opinion that only a judicial inquiry will bring out the whole truth and will be an opportunity to expose those who are guilty.
He alleged that the police are bound by the ministers who do their bidding, and hence there is a complete breakdown in the law and order in the state.
That the police force in Goa have no independence, that the ministers and MLAs are controlling every police station, and unless the police get some independence, the security of the armed army is at stake. Across Goa, various police stations are being controlled by the MLAs. There is a total breakdown in the law and order.
While reacting to the statement of the Chief Minister and Director General of Police of asking the public not to take law in their hands, he said that the police too are not supposed to do the same.
Chief Minister Digambar Kamath and the DGP Mr. Brar not to take law in their hands. Let it be very clear that no law allows the police to take law in their hands as they have done on the 19th.
He also informed that Ud Goenka had written to the Human Rights Commission to investigate human rights violation in the Taligaon incident.
Today written to the Human Rights Commission that the Human Rights Commission should investigate whether there were any human rights violation on the evening and night of February the 19th.
He also condemned the high-handedness of the police in ransacking the house of the Taligaon MLA and said that a judicial inquiry would help in knowing at whose instance this act was committed.
Condemn the Goa police for high-handedly having ransacked the house of Taligaon MLA Mr. Babush Monserrat. The acts of the police were high-handed, uncalled for, against all laid down norms and procedures, and the people of Goa need to know at whose instance did the Goa police ransack the house of Mr. Monserrat.
His Holiness Shivanand Saraswati Swamiji installed a new Prabhaval of Lord Mangesh with religious fervour and gaiety at Mangeshi Temple recently. His Holiness Shivanand Saraswati Swamiji of God Padacharya Kavle Mutt, delivering a discourse on the auspicious occasion, gave a clarion call to all his devotees to celebrate religious festivals and events with utmost devotion, for deriving immense pleasure out of it.
उत्सव सण हे भारतीय जीवनाची विशेषता म्हणून सांगितले आहे आणि उत्सवप्रिया खलु मनुष्य हा म्हणून कवी कालिदासांनी म्हटलेले आहे. परंतु या उत्सवामागे भावाचं महत्त्व हे असायला पाहिजे, कारण भावशून्य अंतःकरणाने जर उत्सव जर साजरे केले तर ते यंत्रवत आणि मानवामध्ये जडत्व निर्माण करतात. त्याकरिता भावपूर्ण अंतःकरणाने उत्सव हे साजरे करण्यास हवे.
Earlier, the ceremony was conducted amidst chanting of hymns by head Purohit Vinay Totekar of Priol and in the presence of the managing committee members of Mangeshi Temple, Prashant Nadkarni, Jayant Madurkar, Rajesh Rao Deshpande, Saish Pilgaonkar, Uday Nagarsekar and Sandesh Rao. As a precursor to the installation ceremony, a Mahapuja was performed by Secretary of Managing Committee Sadashiv Salelkar along with his wife. In tune with the pious occasion, His Holiness Shivanand Saraswati Swamiji also felicitated Ramdas Naik Gujadi of Udupi, the artist who carved the Prabhaval. Time for a short break. You're with Goa 365.